Hello, today we will create a solid model of the given drawing. I will show you step by step, so that you will be able to create it yourself after seeing this video. In case you decide to practice this tutorial, the download link of the drawing file is in the description. First I will draw the top view in Sketcher. Here is the top view of the model we are going to create. I will draw this sketch in XY plane. While drawing it in Sketcher, I will apply dimensional and geometrical constraints. Go to Sketch, select the plane and hit OK. First I will draw two concentric circles with their center in the origin point. Now apply the dimensions according to the drawing. Fix the center of the circle on the horizontal axis. Now the smaller diameter of our 13.97 at a distance of 82.5 from the center. Make sure you save your progress at certain intervals. Draw a vertical line at a distance 50 mm from the center, as shown in the drawing. Both the ends are now connected with angular lines as shown in the drawing, and apply the dimension. Trim the extra lengths wherever needed, and extend the lines to fill the gap. Now apply the angular dimensions to make it symmetric. According to the drawing, section CC is 50 mm from the center, and in session view the width of the section is 22.64. Now for our own convenience in solid modeling, we will now extend the angular lines. A vertical line is drawn inside the R52.2 circle, and both the angular lines are extended to meet both the ends of the vertical line. Use the Trim and Extend tool in Sketcher to make it perfect. We will now draw the projection on the smaller end. The lines are connected using geometric constraints. We can also use Trim and Extend tools for the same purpose. It is 21.06 from the center, and angle is 24.93 degree. We will apply dimensions and make it symmetric with x-axis. Later we will extend the lines inside the circle as we did before. We notice similar profile at the larger diameter. The profile is located at 60 degrees from the horizontal axis. A line is drawn perpendicular to the 60 degrees reference line. After applying the dimension 7.9, two angular lines are drawn and the angle is 38.13 degrees. 60-degree reference line is the line of symmetricity for the profile. In the profile, both the angular lines are connected by an arc of radius 35.17. The center of the arc is concentric to the larger diameter drawn previously. Now we will draw the profile on the horizontal axis. Draw a vertical line and specify dimension 140.86 as shown in the drawing. Draw a circle of R3 and make it tangent to the reference line. Now draw two angular lines and apply dimension as 30 degrees. The profile is symmetric to the horizontal axis. Use the extend and trim tools to get the desired shape. Draw two lines parallel to the angular lines, as shown, apply dimensions and extend them. Taking origin point as the center, draw a circle of diameter 30.6 for the circular pocket as shown in drawing. This completes our sketch. We will first go with extrude. In the select curve option we select the dia 52.21 circle, and in start value we enter 0.0. and end value as 9.05. Now we go to draft options in extrude and select draft from start limit, angle is 7 degrees and press OK. Again select extrude, select the outer dia as shown. Enter start value 0 and end value 7.05. In Boolean we select none. We go to draft, select from start limit. Draft angle 7 degrees and press OK. Now, we move to the smaller diameter. Select the circle, enter the start and end values, enter draft angle and press OK. Again go to extrude, select the shown sketch, enter start value 0.0. and end value 7.05. Draft angle as 7 degrees from the start limit. And press OK. Go to Unite, select the tool body and target body, as I am doing, and press OK. It is also OK if we use Unite in the Boolean options while we had created the body using Extrude. We again go with Extrude, select the section, enter the start and end limits, apply draft angle as 7 degrees from star limit, and press OK. Now we unite the three bodies by using Unite tool. We will now extrude the shown profile. Select curve, enter the start and end limits, apply draft, and press OK. Now we will work with the middle section. Select the outer curves of the sketch, as I am doing. End distance is 7.05 mm, draft is 7 degrees, and press OK. Hide the bodies, go to Extrude, select the inner curves. Enter start distance to 0.5 and end distance 10. Draft angle as -7 degrees. In Boolean, select subtract and press OK. We notice the wall thickness is very less after subtract, so we again go to Sketch, edit the dimension to 3.0 mm in both the sides and exit the Sketcher application. We notice the dimension update in the model also. Now we unite all the solid bodies into a single body by using Unite feature. We will now create the circular pocket of diameter 30.6 mm. Go to Extrude, select the curve, start distance to 0.5, end distance 10.0, draft as -7.0 degrees from the start limit. In Boolean, select subtract and press OK. Solid body is almost created. Now we will apply blends to the edges by referring to the drawing provided. Go to Edge Blend, enter the radius value, then select the edge in the model and press Apply. You can select multiple edges at a time to apply blends. The sequence of applying blend plays a very important role in getting the desired output. You can closely observe the sequence as shown, or you can explore and learn by your own ways. I would suggest to watch it once and then explore it by your own. Some dimensions are not specified in the drawing. In that case, you can apply by your own choice. Applying blends is the most enjoyable part of model making, and it's satisfying to watch. This completes our exercise in applying blends. We will now make use of the trim tool, select the body, then the bisecting plane. We can make use of the flip arrow to keep the desired body and press OK. Now by making use of the mirror tool, we will mirror the solid body. Now use Unite to make it a single body. Now again mirror tool. Select the body to mirror, next the mirror plane and press OK. After mirror, we use Unite to make it a single solid body. And that's it. We've successfully created a solid model of a connecting rod using NX tools like Extrude, Draft, Trim, Mirror, Edge Blend, and Unite. Thanks for watching this tutorial and following along with me. I hope you learned some new skills and techniques to enhance your modeling experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and modeling content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Keep designing, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video.